Football is a strange game. There are players who have a lot of potential but do not live up to the expectations. And then there are players like Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, who have the world at their feet and they are one of the greatest players of all time. So today we are going to talk about a player who was signed by Real Madrid in 2015 but did not make it into the first team till 5 years. Now it has been rumored that he will come back to the team for a reunion. I'm talking about Martin Odegaard. Back in 2015, when Cristiano Ronaldo was still playing for Real Madrid, Neymar for FC Barcelona, and Paul Pogba, who was still not the costliest player of all time. Martin Odegaard was 16 years old when he signed for Real Madrid back in 2015. At that time, he had the world at his feet. But as time progressed, it became clear that it was too much for the Norwegian player to handle. The limelight was always on him and the fans expected a lot from the 16-year-old. The talent was obvious, but Odegaard's future was set to lie elsewhere after a series of loan spells. But the reality was that these moves were just what he needed, taking him out of the firing line and allowing him to enjoy playing the best football again. His spells at SC Heerenveen and Vitesse were not spectacular, but they helped lay the foundations for Odegaard to grow as a footballer and as a human being. It was his loan spell at Real Sociedad for the 2019 season which has really caught the eye. His 10 goal contributions to the Basque side helped the team to finish 6th in La Liga, but the statistics tell a fraction of the story. The Norwegian was dictating the matches with the play going through him, constantly knowing where the space is and where the players are. Indeed, his talent has always been clear for all to see, but his footballing intelligence and ability to pick the right option are just a number of attributes which he has added to his game. Real Madrid agreed to extend Odegaard's loan with Real Sociedad by a year, but now there's reports that Los Blancos will recall him early at the request of Zinedine Zidane. The 21-year-old was actually keen to stay with La Real for another season, but Zidane has convinced the midfielder that he will be part of his first team plans next campaign. Odegaard has decided to return following the conversation. While Sociedad will of course be gutted to lose such a vital player, it is a move that comes at the perfect time for both player and the parent club. Odegaard has improved his mental game and is prepared for any challenge at the Bernabeu, but equally he will provide the much needed creativity and vision to an aging Real Madrid midfield. Rather than turning to costly players like Paul Pogba, they can rely on Martin Odegaard to deliver, who is a proven Spanish league star. Real Madrid may have won the La Liga in the 2019 season, but their success was primarily down to the perfect defense and the goal-scoring exploits of Karim Benzema. However, it was visible that they had problems in the attacking section as seen with the defeat in the second leg against Manchester City. Eden Hazard is mostly playing out on the left side alone without receiving any balls when he makes those deadly runs. The likes of Modric and Kroos are not high up the pitch to provide these type of passes. But with Odegaard in the team, the front three will be able to pose much more of a threat due to the range of passing and ability to play eye-of-the-need balls from midfield. With James Rodriguez on his way out and with Kroos and Modric not getting any younger, midfield reinforcements are required. Surely he may not be necessarily playing 90 minutes every game, but he is exactly what they need. Zidane's 4-3-3 system means he may be tasked with more responsibilities, but with Casemiro behind him, he will be allowed the freedom to push forward and do what he does best, create. It's been a long road back to the Bernabeu for Odegaard, but the time is now right for him to return and prove his worth.